Welcome to my beauty maintenance vlog where I take you through a series of things that I do to keep myself up throughout the month. First off, I'm starting with skincare.
Are you having any issues? I know you told me you broke out a little bit from the berries, but any other concerns with your skin at all?
No, I just trying to get back to not having any texture.
What and remind me again, like what are you using on it?
Keeps asking me about this piercing. I'm like, yeah, it's gone. It's gone. Unfortunately.
Oh gosh, I hate that. So what did it actually push it all the way out, or just
it
was getting infected and different things?
It was like a hole in the middle of where the two rhinestones were, because it was starting to push itself out. So
was it hurting?
Yeah. It never fully healed.
Yeah.
So
I had to try it twice. You said.
No, I'm gonna try it again once this heals.
You ain't scared?
No.
Mine did that when I tried to get my cartilage pierced.
Girl, just get it again.
I did twice.
Really?
I did both times.
Oh my God, no.
Yeah, so I was like, no, give up on pierce. I was a piercing girl when I was a lot younger.
I've slowed down.
Yeah.
I've slowed down.
Yeah.
Because I do model work too, so I'm like, I can't do too much. It was perfect though, because I was like, I don't have a big chest, so I wanted rhinestones right there. So then when I wear like my V-shaped dresses or anything like that, I wanted to.
Yeah, I wanted to be cute. Yeah, you did a number on that thing.
I did. I got it flat, didn't I? It was a little bit.
Yeah, no, it feels flat.
So
the little hole was what, the top? Okay, I see.
Look. That's what it was.
It was cute. Oh, I thought you were gonna show me it. Yeah, it kind of bling when you move.
Right, exactly. see? I was like, I loved it.
I was trying to just look and see where it was, so it's more down here, like you said, in the middle, kind of at the bottom. Have you tried to put anything in there though?
It's closed.
Okay. How long ago was it?
That was 2021 that I got it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So I've waited. I've tried to heal it myself. It's not working.
It's a little vitamin C that'll kind of help lighten it too.
Good. Whatever you got.
Well, this shouldn't be bad. I'm gonna put you back just a little bit.
You keep saying it like it's gonna be bad.
No, but I'm just saying that, you know, just different people's talk. Now my niece, I do her all the time, and she doesn't even need the numbing.
Really?
Yeah.
But what is it like?
So it's
Oh yeah, it's tattoo needles.
I'm just not gonna go that deep.
Go ahead.
Okay. Just tell me if it's too bad. I can kind of. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tattoo didn't feel like this one.
It was worse. This is worse.
Yeah. It don't hurt. It just feel weird. I feel like tiny needles.
Yeah. This one I might go just a smidge deeper because what I wanted to do is I wanted to bleed just a little bit.
Okay.
Let me
Yeah, we're good.
You're
so funny.
I don't want to hurt you. I guess because I'm a chicken.
How are you?
I can poke other people. I don't want to be poked though. Like tattoos and stuff. I can.
Yeah.
We went to. You ever been tattoos and blue?
In Charlotte?
Yeah.
I heard of that place. It looks like so much fun.
It is. It is. So what these little needles do is go in and kind of break it up, kind of puncture it, put little holes in it, and then tells your body, okay, we need to send collagen to repair it. So then I want it to kind of push out, you know what I mean, and kind of come off like that. So I just wanted to make sure we got like, I broke the skin up good, that, you know, we got it's called like a controlled injury. And that way, hopefully, it kind of helps with. So that'll be red. It might be a little tender.
I do not mind as long as it go away. To me, are you okay? I'm like, yeah, I'm fine. I just don't want you to be like, oh, I hit and ran you.
It was just a little tap.
Yeah.
I love them shoes. I need some.
Thank you. Fashion Nova.
Fashion Nova.
It was like a couple dollars, $10, $20.
Oh, they had a good sale. I treated her hair and everything last time, right? Okay.
Treated it, trimmed it.
I thought I did all the works. I let some conditioner sit on you for like 5 minutes. Okay. You came 2 weeks ago? You came 2 weeks ago? Okay.
I was like, I'm not going to put too much heat in it because she's going to cuss me out.
I would never. Did you have to fight on it again from working out and stuff?
I touched it a little bit, like I bumped it in.
Okay.
One time, and after that I blew dried because I slept and I started sweating. So, you know, the back of your hair be all poopy. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to just twist it and wear an afro and just let it be gray.
Right. Girl, I done worked out about 3 times this week. And, you know, it was fine the first couple of days. But today, because I did full body today. Yeah. And my body said, yeah, we finna sweat today.
I did. You won't believe it. I did hot yoga that same week. Like an idiot. But I put my little beauty, what do you call it? My beauty headband on. And put my hair in a ponytail and I was good.
What's a beauty headband?
You know the little, I guess they're like a cotton material.
Oh, okay.
And you put it on for when you're doing your makeup or when you're getting a facial.
Okay, you need like a sweatband. I like Gym Wrap. Gym Wrap is black owned, and it really soaks up your sweat. It do good. I mean, I worked out 3 times, but today I just worked out really hard. And I guess it depends on how much you sweat too. Like, I just feel like it's based on each person. Because like, well, the gym where I was at, my hair was fine. But the middle part, girl, I was like, I feel like I got a whole relaxer and I need a touch up.
But you don't feel like, well, I guess you just told me, but I always worry that when I wear the tighter ones, that because I sweat and you be sweating in your scalp, that it make it worse.
Because it soaks up the sweat and it keeps your hair laid down. So like the middle part messes up because it don't have nothing telling it to stay like, you know, where it's at, so it got room to expand.
Right.
If that makes sense. I don't know if my hair damaged until I take it out. So I was like, I ain't finna just let anybody do that on my baby happy. You like, nah, baby, stop right there. You doing straight or curl today? I hope curls.
Okay, whatever you want.
Okay. Love the sound of that.
You are funny. Like,
I'm gonna ask you a question, but like, I hope curls. Persuasion. What you got planned this weekend?
No, really.
What? You not having plans?
Yeah, I don't ever have plans on weekends.
You say you never had plans. I find that hard to believe. But you want side and middle, right?
Yes.
You want 3 parts or 2?
Just 2.
2.
Whatever's easier. Oh, girl, I love that place.
Me too, the best Mexican food. Okay. We love it.
Yes, we do.
Alright,
do you need your after?
Yes.
So this is the DIY portion of my vlog, and this is also the portion that's going to save you a lot of money, because let's be honest, being a woman is expensive. So I've just recently started doing my own gel X nails. I got this whole kit from Amazon, and I'm gonna link everything in my Amazon storefront, so go check that out. And once you get your kit, make sure to come back and follow along. But this is how I'm going to be doing my gel X nails. I usually like to put like a cuticle oil on, snip down my cuticles, and then shave or file down my nail beds. This is also another way you can make sure your nails are healthy, because it's also super harsh on your nails when you're going to the salons, and you know, they're in a rush. They're just trying to get you in and out, girl. But I know starting out doing your nails is always a little bit tricky, but this is one of the easiest processes to do your nails. And like I said, it's gonna save you a lot of money, but the more you do it, the easier it becomes. So don't give up on it too soon. Just keep trying. It's as simple as that. So this is just a few things that I've been doing to keep up with my beauty maintenance. Of course, I have plenty of more, so stay tuned. Make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.